Your sensor has a 12-hour grace period at the end of the session. You'll get alerts letting you know your sensor session or grace period will end. The grace period gives you more time to replace your sensor, so you can do it when it's convenient for you. You can either end your sensor early or wait until it automatically ends. To end the session early, go to Connections and tap Sensor. You can either replace sensor if you want to start a new sensor immediately, or stop sensor session if you want to stop this sensor without starting a new one. The other option is to wait until your sensor automatically ends. At this point, the app will tell you it is time to start a new sensor. To remove your sensor, peel off the patch like a bandage. Now you need to insert a new sensor. Clean your new site with an alcohol wipe. Unscrew the cap. Press and hold the applicator firmly against your skin and push the button. If you need a refresher on sensor insertion, you can review the in-app instructions. Back on the app, confirm your sensor is inserted and enter your pairing code. Enter the pairing code by taking a picture. Wait for the sensor to pair. Tap OK on the Pairing Complete screen and enter into your sensor warm-up. The sensor warm-up timer lets you know when you'll start getting readings and alerts. And that is how you replace your Dexcom G7.